If you're on the hunt for the perfect coffee table, one that you can fold and take pretty much anywhere you go, whether you're hosting a gathering in your living room, working from home in a tight space, or relaxing on your patio, I have the perfect gift for you. It is a foldable, portable coffee table. Stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am your lovely host here, Gigi Faison, and guys, I welcome you into my home once again. Go ahead, grab your coffee, your tea, or whatever it is that you are choosing to drink. Sit back, relax, and enjoy as I share with you this new coffee table that I will be doing a review on, and I hope you guys will stay to the end and let me know what you think. Now here I'm standing in front of my coffee table that I use. This is my coffee table. This is how I have it styled. So what I'm going to do is take the decor that I have on my coffee table and transfer it over to this coffee table that I will be doing a review on. Now this video is being sponsored by Fly City, and I will be sharing with you their very easy to assemble coffee table. There will be no tools required. It is a portable coffee table, and I'm going to share with you guys how I am going to style it here in my space. And as a matter of fact, I may share with you several spaces that I may show you how you can be able to use this. So as I stated, get your drink, sit back, relax. I'm going to do all the work and all the transferring, and I just want you guys to enjoy. But you can go ahead and give me a thumbs up. It lets YouTube know how much you appreciate the content that I bring to you guys. So thumbs up first, leave me a comment when it's all over. And if you like from the beginning, the middle, or the end, to be a part of the family, it is real easy. Just make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure you tap the notification bell twice. All the information regarding this easy to assemble portable coffee table will be in my description boxes. So I hope that you will like what you see and feel the need to sit it into your home by just a link that will be in my description box. It will take you where you need to be, that you can purchase your own portable coffee table. I'm gonna get my sip because I have to do the work. So it comes packed very well. Has a little slip of foam on top there. It even has little protectors on the ends. So basically, I'm just going to slip it right out of this plastic. It is absolutely beautiful. Such a lovely piece. Place it here. I'll clean up on this. But this is how it comes packaged. It has the foam on the bottom, foam on top of it, plastic, and these little protectors. These little protectors on each corner of the table. So this is what the table looks like. So this table is a 41 by 3 in length by 21.7 in width and 15.8 inches in height. No assembly. You may use it in your living room, your bedroom, your patio, your outdoor camping, so forth and so on. The color of this table is brown and black. The legs, they have a locking function that effectively prevents the legs from accidentally folding inward and tipping over. it can be easily folded by pressing the latch. So this is how easy it is to unfold. It's easy to fold as there's two little buttons on the side. You just press it in and close. It has a unique magnetic feature that as you're preparing to store it away, it keeps the legs folded for safety and stability. And then you fold the legs back. Easy to assemble. And if you wanted to, place it underneath your couch or your bed or whatever until you're ready to use it again, you can do so. But to easily extend, hold it over. Now I'm going to slide this one out of the way just to show you how you can decorate it just a little bit by using different things. And I'm actually going to use what is on my table here. So guys, we could go for the minimalist effect and just place the vase with the flowers in it and just leave it like that. But you know me, I have to build upon this. So we're going to go for another look here. We're going to add some of the other pieces that I had on the table. We're going to bring in the books, the butterfly, the bust. And this is going to be our look number 1. So for look number 2, we're going to remove some of the items that were actually inside this tray, and we're going to use the tray with the ornate balls, the candles, the black candle holders, bring back in the butterfly and the statue over on the side. This makes up look number 2. As I am bringing style to this table, I can see that it is definitely the perfect table for a small space. Whether you have an apartment that has a small space and you need a table, you can use it to eat on. You can use it to play games. You could use it in a dorm room. You can use it out on your back porch or your deck or your closed-in space, your office space. There are so many possibilities for this table, and I can just see it as I am styling it here. Now I think this is my final look for the inside, and I pulled the vase from over on the table, the books, the bust, and the butterfly. So this will be my final look, I think, for the inside. And then guys, we're gonna go outside and see what we can do. 네가 내게 말을 걸 때마다 내 기분은 higher Girl what's your desire 네 심장은 paradise Beautiful girl can't you see 다들 너를 질투해 걱정 마 girl can't you see 내 눈엔 늘 완벽해 Won't you call me when you get this Yeah 못나도 내겐 이뻐 Yeah 뭘 해도 내겐 이뻐 Yeah I want more money, money, more money Yeah I want more money, more money, more money 못나도 내겐 이뻐
Like this. Hard. Outstanding. Yes.
A special thanks to Fly City for entrusting me to share their portable, easy to assemble coffee table with all of you guys. Please don't forget to check out the link in my description box below if you would love to have a beautiful table such as this one. Leave me a comment in the comment section. If you're new, I would love to have you as part of the family. Just hit the subscribe button. Make sure you tap the notification bell twice so that you are always notified of any videos that are created on this channel. Guys, be blessed, take care, and until the next video, I'm your host here, Gigi Face.